Hi everybody, I'm Mormo. Do you want to make money affiliate marketing? Then watch this video. Are horror affiliates in demand? Is there a demand for horror affiliate marketers today? Yes, there is a huge demand. One of the challenges faced in the affiliate marketing industry is that sometimes it sounds too good to be true. Advertising that's guaranteed to work or it's free. Newcomers wonder if it's possible, and skeptics claim that the cost effective prices of affiliate marketing lower the bar for online advertising. But there is a good reason that affiliate marketing has experienced steady growth throughout the ups and downs of online advertising. It works, and affiliate marketing has evolved to become a reliable source of sales for a wide range of marketers. Affiliate marketing has evolved from the early years when some touted it as the future of online advertising and others claimed it was the downfall of the medium. It's now a sophisticated channel that generates anywhere from 5 to 25% of online sales for many of the world's biggest brands. Almost all major multi-channel marketers have an affiliate program of some kind. The important thing to remember is that affiliate programs now come in all shapes and sizes. The concept of a wide open affiliate program with an unlimited and uncontrolled number of affiliates is a thing of the past. Nearly all marketers agree that affiliates add value to an online marketing effort, but the program must be tailored to meet the marketer's objectives. Affiliate marketing did not bring an end to other higher priced forms of online media advertising. The success of the affiliate marketing in delivering sales cost effectively by way of a pay for performance model paved the way for other forms of performance based advertising, such as CPA based search and portal advertising, to create acceptance among direct marketers. Affiliate marketing has evolved, with affiliates and marketers becoming more sophisticated and programs more integrated with other forms of online marketing. And thanks so much for watching. Please visit mormozine.com and grab my movie that'll really help you in your affiliate, in your horror business. And also comment, thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell, and sharing is caring, so please share. And I'm going to have an affiliate. I'm going to have a product meant for the horror community as an affiliate offer. And so if you review movies on YouTube or on a blog or something, let me know. Just join my mailing list, and I'll let you know when it's ready. Thanks so much.